We have Werner here, man of the match. Hattrick for you, 13 goals for you. This season, how are you feeling?
Look to camera, look to camera.
Very, very, very good. Really elated. Get 13 goals and for the season and to get the hat-trick in this game.
All right, tell us regarding the team were 3-1 down just after the break. The team were worried at the point. Tell us what was going through your mind at that point.
Went in half time when the coach spoke to us. When we were 2-1 down, the coach spoke to us at half time and he told us to just relax and play our game. We were chasing the game and we were all over the place. So we came out and beat us.
Will you put this performance going into Trinidad's game against Jamaica?
Yes, definitely. That's the idea that I like to get out there and come and show them what I can do for the national team.
Hattrick in 8 minutes. It speaks to the impact that you made on this game tonight. Tell us walk us through the 3 goals.
3 goals. First off, I can say it's just adrenaline, and the team needed it, so I had to come up big for the team and fight for those 3 goals.
Yeah, for most of the season, you seem to be surviving and scoring off scrap goals. Is it a mentality that is what you have to do to score? Both of your goals were also scrappy and little scrappy. Yeah, just tell me what the mindset for you scoring the goals that you have received.
Over the past season, previous season, I got chances like those because I wasn't in the right place at the right time. Missed those opportunities, so I went back in the training and focused on those ones.
And you also get called up for the national team, and a big statement from you here tonight with the coach in the stands. Just tell us how you feel achieving that, accomplishing that.
Yes, so it's a really good feeling to showcase what I can do with the national coach. Jamaica.
On top of the league now, what are you? Certainly you must be feeling like you can push on and grab the goal in this season.
Yes, definitely, that's the ambition.
And it has been a very interesting race, this Golden Boot. We saw John Mara score today, went to 12, 3 for you, you're now at 13. How much does the competition between the two of you drive you to get the goals?
Well, for me, it's a really, really great competition. He's a great player, and to score 3 goals and to jump in today, that's a really big feeling. Top of the league.
What do you basically expect from you for the remainder of the season and Arnett?
Well, you can expect more goals and great performances because the world never stops. Hard work and dedication each and every day.